VR, or virtual reality, is a system which allows users to immersively experience a different world inside the head-mounted displays, or HMD. The application is not limited to playing games, but also technical tasks like topological visualization, which is the main application that our Liaison, LlamaZoo, has developed. But what if the person inside the HMD wants to share and discuss the data inside the virtual world with people in the real world, who don't wear the HMD and have no access to that immersive experience, such as in a meeting or at an exhibition booth? The current way of doing this is by streaming the presenter's perspective from inside the HMD to a monitor that all audiences could view. But this approach has many problems. For instance, the presenter might not be able to distinguish by voice who is talking to them. Or the audiences may not have an effective way to tell the presenter to go back to a perspective in the virtual world that they have questions about. In our exploratory study of this problem space, we identify 4 most important problems and propose a design solution for each problem. The first problem is the stream sometimes make audiences dizzy. A large part of it is caused by large and random movements that the audiences can't anticipate and can't reconcile with the presenter's movements. To solve this, we proposed an alternative mode where the presenter controls their video streaming with hand controllers instead of their head. This way, the camera movement will be more deliberate and the presenter's movement will be more meaningful to the audiences. The second problem is the audience-to-presenter visibility problem. The HMD blocks the presenter's view, so there cannot be any nonverbal communication between the two parties, like hand gestures and facial expressions. Our proposed solution for this is to film the audiences with a third-person webcam and stream to a picture-in-picture, or PIP screen inside the HMD, so that the presenter can visually observe the audiences. The third problem is the lack of visual and temporal references. When the audience wants to return to a specific moment or location in the presentation, how can they communicate that to the presenter? Our proposed solution for this is a time capsule mobile app. Each audience will have a mobile app that allows them to screen capture the frame in the stream that they like to reference, and also annotate the frame to refer to specific objects. The audience can send the annotated frame to the presenter, and the presenter may choose to return to that timestamp and that location for further discussion. The last problem is that many people, such as specialists in other fields who are not familiar with VR, may not have the knowledge of how to use VR applications in social settings properly and effectively. Our proposed solution for this is a set of Tooltip cards, color-coded by types, such as hygiene, system troubleshooting, and communication. Both the presenter and the audiences can use these cards to prepare for a collaboration, or during a collaboration,